Okay, moving on to the next artboard, we're going to choose 3 pointed shapes. Okay, so first off, you're going to have to go to the toolbar and then go to rectangle tool, and then we're going to go to the polygon tool. And again, we're going to start from the center, so we're going to press Shift Alt, click, and then drag out. Okay, and then we're going to go to properties. Let's keep it at 4, and then we're going to get rid of the fill by pressing this, and then we're going to none. Okay, so that's it for this one. Next, we are going to do the same thing. So Shift Alt, click and drag. Don't let go of your mouse. Okay, and you're going to press the down arrow on your keyboard. So press down, and now you have 5 sides. Yes. Okay, and make sure your fill is off, and it looks really good. Okay, so now we're going to add more corners. So let's press Shift Alt, go to the very center of this shape, click, and drag down. Okay, so we're going to add a few more corners. So this is 5, and then we're going to press the up arrow key. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then you're going to try to fit it in as neatly as possible. Okay, so you're going to have an issue with the bounding box when you have a shape that's a little off center. So what we're going to do is, or not off center, just like, you know, like it's turned differently from the other shapes. But what you can do is just rotate it and have it fit here. But again, you're going to have this issue of not getting it properly aligned. So here's another way you can do it. Okay, I'm going to create again because I accidentally deleted it. Okay, and now we're going to go to Object, Shape, Expand Shape. So just have a good look at them. Okay, Expand Shape. And with your Select tool, you're going to go back to your path right here, right click, and Transform. And we're going to, oh, there you go, Reset Bounding Box. It's right in the bottom. Okay, and now you have your bounding box reset, and it looks nice, and you can adjust it a lot easier than if it was just like diagonally aligned. Okay, and now we're gonna create a triangle, which is pretty easy. We're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna press Shift Alt, click, and drag a little bit like this. I think that's fine. And we're gonna go down. There you go. Press the down arrow key up until you can't anymore. This is like the limit. Okay. And again, you're going to have that issue with the bounding box. So again, we're going to go to Object, Shape, and Expand Shape. And then we're going to select Tool on your toolbar and right click, Transform, and Reset Bounding Box. There you go. Okay, you're going to have the same issue with the star. Same thing. We're going to click. Let me just move this up a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to go to your toolbar, Polygon tool, Star tool. So select that one, click, and drag out by pressing Shift and Alt. Okay, there you go, and then let go, and that's your first star. Now we're going to add more points. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 again. Okay, so Shift Alt, and we're going to press the up arrow key. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and again, you don't have to get it as perfect. It's just how you align it. Okay, so now we're going to create this 4-pointed star. And let me press on the star tool. Okay, so I had to reset. I had to stop and reset. Okay, just again, you know, my computer's acting a little weird right now. So we got everything under control. Okay, so if you have, let's add a little bit more stars so I can show you. Okay, so let's start from the center. And okay, let go. And we're gonna get rid of all these points until you get to 4 points. And then we're gonna press Shift. If you want to do it this way, that's fine, but I'm gonna have it match the blue line. And it's gonna look a little tilted. Okay, so let's make sure we're gonna go to Properties and let's go to 70. There we go. So we aligned it perfectly, and we're gonna move on to this one. So this little star needs some help. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the middle, Shift Alt, bring it up, and add one more point. Okay, don't let go of your mouse. You're gonna have to press Control and bring your mouse inwards, so towards the center of the star. So you can make the points extra pointy or less pointy. Here you go. And the neat thing is when you can create rounded shapes too. So let's create another star on the side. This one you don't have to do, but I'm just going to show you that you have to select the selection tool first. Make sure it's selected with this. Okay, so it's selected, and then we're going to have to go to the direct selection tool, and what you can do is just click and round this out. So it looks really cute. I really like how you can do like a couple of things to round this out, make it look cute. This is really good for like if you're going to design child, like a textile print or just like children's toys or anything like this, like a little rounded star or maybe like a coloring book. That's a really cool effect. Really easy. Okay, we're going to move on to the next section.